How to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel and let's get started. First and foremost, go to Play Store and search for Snapchat. You want to make sure it says open here instead of update. If you see update, then tap on update sign and your application will get updated. Now let's go to settings application. Here go to apps. Now let's go to storage and clear the cache. If it still does not solve your problem, then let's move on to our last process. Open any web browser. At the search bar, type in Snapchat support. Tap onto the first website and you will see various options here. Then tap on using Snapchat. Tap on this three-bar icon on the top and tap on contact us. Choose the first option that says I think my account was compromised. Then you will see this page. Now let's write our issue here. Type in your username, your email address that is linked with your Snapchat account, your phone number if you have it, and the description of your problem. And once you are done, tap on submit. Now all you can do is wait for Snapchat to email you back. And this is how you do it. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel for more.